Hey everyone, it's Marcus from CarTurf. Can CarTurf help me find the right vehicle to buy in Europe? Yes and no. We can assist you in your search. We can help you narrow down what vehicle is right for you, but we are not car experts, so we can't give any direct advice on a specific vehicle. So what we do is we help you narrow down your list of preferences and your deal breakers and the vehicles that you may not be considering. We could give you some advice there. We can help you communicate with the seller if they don't speak English. We can show you some red flags in certain listings. So we can help with administrative tasks, communication, things like that. We rely on your input as the buyer to tell us the budget and the preferences. So go to mobile.de or autoscout24.de and put in your preferences, your budget, and you'll get familiar with the market. Then you can send us over specific links to listings that have caught your eye, and we can review those with you. Once you get it narrowed down, then you can decide, do I want to buy the vehicle remotely with CarTurf services, or do I want to come into Germany, spend a week or two on the ground shopping for a vehicle? And we can help in either case. But most car dealers also have a team of English-speaking support, or depending on how big the auto dealer is, they'll have English speakers, or they'll have workshops that they can fix things on the vehicle and do inspections and renew things like that to have it ready for you. Because CarTurf focuses on the flexibility of providing registration and insurance for any type of vehicle, we're not experts on a single type of vehicle. So we'd leave the selection and the search to you initially, and support you as you go and narrow down your choices. And then once you're ready to buy, we can help you do that and get it registered and insured. So if you're looking for a vehicle long-term in Europe, then reach out to CarTurf. We'll be happy to answer any questions that you have in the process. Check out our other videos, and we'll see you on the road.